Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead video for you. This one is going to feature 5 different job leads. They are all going to be part-time. I feel like I used to do a lot of these longer videos with multiple job leads in the past, and then just working with my schedule because this channel is a hobby for me. It is not how I make my income to survive off of. I do have a full-time corporate work from home job that I do. So I found myself making just the shorter job leads so that I could get them out when I come across them quicker to you. But please leave down in the comments below and let me know if you prefer this style of video where you get a bunch of job leads at one time. But with that being said, we are going to keep this video as short as possible. I do get a little bit of a rambly. We are going to dive all in. The links to all of these job leads, if you're interested in putting that application in, is in the YouTube description box below this video. You might have to hit the little more button to pop the description box completely open to get to them. First up, we have AAA. They are hiring again a part-time remote customer service rep for their emergency roadside service. Now, we have featured a AAA on this channel before. A lot of people seem interested in this remote position. They do hire within the United States only. All of these job leads are for the United States only. But basically, they are looking for somebody to work remotely from home, responding to member or customer requests for emergency roadside assistance in the call center. So this is going to be a customer service call center type job. So you're going to be providing superior customer support to that member. You'll respond to a high volume of emergency roadside service requests. You'll respond to the member needs with empathy and understanding while gathering the information you need to get their service dispatched to them. You'll analyze member accounts to determine additional products and services that might benefit that member and try to upsell them on those products. And of course, you'll be held to performance metrics. Now, even though this is a part-time position, they are going to be fully paid training. You will have to be available full-time for the training. Training begins Thursday, June 15th. The virtual training, again, is full-time Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Now, part-time afternoon, evening, weekend shifts are available after training. Now, this position does pay $19 an hour. And if you work evening or weekend shifts, you get a shift premium on top of that $19 an hour. If you have perfect attendance for your first 90 days, you get a $250 bonus for that. They do offer a complete benefit package, but you are going to have your own computer equipment for this job. All the equipment you need is detailed in the application, but as far as what they're looking for, just a basic high school diploma or GED, someone who's had 6 months of customer service experience, who can accurately put information into a computer and provide great customer service. Moving right along, RWS is hiring a data collector for their AI models. This is a part-time work from home for my United States folks only. Now, this is more like Appen, TELUS, all of those different places that you've probably heard of before. It is a gig worker type job, but you'll basically collect, create, or generate text, image, audio, and video data. The data will be used to help train their AI language models, virtual assistants, chatbots, and security authentication systems. You'll collect data from the public domain that includes photos, videos, and text. You'll film or take pictures of specific objects, people, scenery, or settings. You'll record a speech and writing samples, and then you'll turn those in. Now, it does say that they pay to either PayPal or your bank account, so this is a great part-time way to make a little bit of extra money. As far as what's required, you have to be fluent in the English language, detail-oriented, and of course be able to meet the deadlines. Moving right along, Carter's Children's Clothing Company. They have a call center seasonal agent. Again, this is part-time. Now, over here on the right side is where they list their hourly pay. It pays anywhere from $13 to $15 an hour. But they are basically looking for someone to do basic customer service. You'll be that first point of contact for the customers for Carter's Clothing via phone, email, and or chat. You'll communicate effectively both in written and verbal communication. You'll demonstrate great customer service skills, helping the customer identifying and handling all of their inquiries completely and accurately. You'll alert management of any concerns and escalate those up. Now, as far as what they're looking for, someone who has a high school diploma or GED is preferred but not required. So no degree at all is even required for this one. They do want somebody who has a minimum of 6 months customer service experience. Someone who has a call center experience is a plus but not required. So that customer service experience can be anything from waiting tables, being a cashier, babysitting, anything that you've actually provided service to another person. They do need somebody who has a basic computer literacy skills, someone who can have great listening, verbal, and written communication skills. Now, it does look like with this one, you do have to have your own computer equipment as well. Of course, it wouldn't be me if I didn't include some healthcare positions in here as well. Work from home healthcare has my heart. So Advent Health is hiring a care advocate for part-time remote. Now it says a care advocate will help the overall consumer experience for the purpose of having seamless, timely access and step-by-step guidance. You'll demonstrate the Advent Health Service standards. You'll provide immediate support to customers through virtual messaging, ensuring complete resolution of the customer's questions and concerns. You'll act as a vital connector and communicator between the customer and the Advent Health Services through communications in a secure virtual messaging platform. So this sounds like it's all non-phone online. I know a lot of health systems these days have like the MyChart things where you can send basically online messages to your providers and they can comment back to you. But you'll help them with various services, accessing their electronic medical records, scheduling appointments, communicating with providers, just anything that the patient or customer needs. Now, all they're requiring for this position is a high school diploma or GED, 1 year experience in a healthcare environment, or if you don't have that, 2 years of experience in customer service. Now, unfortunately, they do not list pay for this position. That'll have to be discussed at the time of the interview. And last but not least, we have Boston Medical is hiring an insurance verification specialist. Now, this is per diem, and per diem means as needed. This is a part-time. But they're basically looking for an insurance specialist to help their revenue cycle patient access team for coordinating all financial clearance activities, navigating all referral pre-authorization requirements as outlined by the insurance payer guidelines and regulations. This is going to require a high school diploma or GED. Somebody who has case management or coding certificate is desirable, but not required. Also, somebody who has medical billing experience is desirable, but also not required. You do have to know medical terminology, though, how to use a computer. You need to have Epic experience. Epic is a hospital computer system. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments. I do read those and keep that in mind. Also, let me know if you like these longer form videos where I throw a bunch of different options and job leads at you at one time, or you prefer to pick and choose the ones you watch by me only putting one job lead in a video at a time. Let me know what your preferences down below, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.